everyone, I'm Dr. Rubina, your fertility doctor, and today I'm going to talk about IVF with donor eggs. Before we talk about IVF with donor eggs, मेरे को ये बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है what is the difference between normal IVF and donor IVF. Normal IVF means the eggs are taken out from the patient और वही eggs use होते हैं IVF में. When we talk about donor egg IVF, that means eggs are taken from someone else, mixed with the husband's sperm, and the embryo formed is transferred in the female body. So now, why is this IVF done? Like, who needs this donor IVF? People with low AMH count. We all know age is the major factor when we talk about fertility. जैसे जैसे age बढ़ती रहती है, AMH low होता रहता है, number of eggs कम होते रहते हैं, quality of egg खराब होते रहते हैं. So उन patients को donor egg की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. जब आपके पास eggs नहीं होते, तो हमें bank से, egg bank से egg लेने पड़ते हैं. Now, most commonly seen in advanced age group, like women post 37, 38 or maybe 40 are usually most of the time needs donor IVF. किन patients में egg नहीं होगा? Number one, we know age की वजह से जैसे जैसे age बढ़ता चला जाता है, number of eggs in female body कम होती चली जाती है. Mostly women at the age of 40 has the least number of eggs. So उनको अगर successful pregnancy करनी है तो they might need donor eggs. Second, people with premature ovarian failure, जिनका time से पहले ovaries ने काम करना बंद कर दिया, ovarian failure हो गया. That means ovaries, we all know egg bank होता है. अगर ovaries ने काम करना बंद कर दिया तो egg bank बचेगा नहीं and there will be no egg left. So क्या करेंगे? Baby तो सबको करना है. So then we take donor egg and form embryo for them. Third, people with endometriosis. We know endometriosis is a problem of ovaries. In what happens in endometriosis? Ovaries धीरे endometriosis खराब कर देती है, डैमेज कर देती है, पूरी ovaries को endometriotic cyst में बदल देती है. So अगर ovarian tissue खत्म हो जाएगा तो then normal tissue बचेगा नहीं and normal tissue से ही egg release होते हैं. So people with advanced endometriosis might need donor IVF. Fourth, smoking. आजकल corporate culture में इतना popular हो रहा है smoking, but smoking is injurious to female ovaries. Smoking से क्या होता है? There are toxins released and those toxins kills the ovary. You know, a lot of time females come to us for some other problem. We do ultrasound and by looking at ovaries, we are able to correlate that this particular female smokes. So what happens in women who smokes? Like I just told you that smoke is a toxin which kills the ovaries. अगर ovary का tissue खत्म हो जाएगा, normal egg formation खत्म हो जाएगा और जब उनको ovaries की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी pregnancy plan करने के लिए, they will be left with no eggs. So caution here, please don't smoke if you are watching this video. Fifth, very unfortunate, but sometimes there are genetic disorders which run in the family. Now, if you use your own genetic material for the offspring, then the baby can also carry the same genetic disease. So we have to sometimes not take this disease genetic material. So in that case, we have to sometimes substitute it with the donor egg. I will not go into details of each and every disease. I will definitely explain this in the next video. 6 people who have history of multiple IVF failures, जो बहुत बार IVF ट्राई करते रहते हैं पर किसी वजह से उनके अपने गैमीट से IVF क्लिक ही नहीं हो रहा होता, प्रेगनेंसी हो ही नहीं रही होती. So in that case also we substitute egg with donor egg. Here's a fact, donor egg IVF is very commonly done in India. But पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Nobody tells. कोई बात ही नहीं करना चाहता, कोई अपनी स्ट्रगल बताना नहीं चाहता और कोई भी उस donor IVF से हुए हुए सक्सेसफुल प्रेगनेंसी को बताना नहीं चाहता. This is the problem. But very easily ये बहुत ही आसानी से लोग एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं, लीगल है और अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो डोंट वरी, देयर इज अ सोल्यूशन. टेक्नोलॉजी ने ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया हुआ है. गो अहेड, इफ यू वांट टू डिस्कस any of these problems or if you have any of these problems जो मैंने अभी बताया कि इन पेशेंट्स को डोनर IVF की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, अगर इनमें से आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, you want to discuss with me and you want a genuine opinion, you can always contact me, you can message me, call me, DM me, you can mention in your comment section. I will definitely reply to your queries. Bye. Thank you.